Now I am here to show you our brand new subscription box. This is all about Over the Edge. So what to do is delve right in. Let's take a look at everything that you're going to get. Now obviously with the box they're going to work perfectly with everyone that you have already got. Tells you straight away 215 elements in total, and you can make at least 24 cards. You're going to see on the back it tells you everything that you get, including 6 dies, 24 card blanks, you're getting 24 envelopes, you're getting stamps, you're getting coloured papers, ribbons, you're getting papers as well as dewdrops. So let's go right in. So let's just open this one up and we're going to dive straight in. As always, you will know that you get a nice welcome from Sarah, you also get a nice wee tag, and you also get your Crafter's Companion papers. Check all these goodies out. Now, let's go straight to the dies. So these dies are the ones that enable you to cut over the edge or at the side or maybe even the top. So you can see that one just there. Then let's bring in the stamp set. So of course, you've got the stamps that coordinate, whether it's cats or whether it's dogs. Let's just take a piece of white card just behind, just so you can get an idea. You're getting sentiments, you're getting the cats, you're getting all these different elements as well. Then when it comes to the dogs, you're getting the dog. Check these out in the umbrellas. Let me just open this one so we can get a good view of everything that you're going to get. So you can see within the dogs there, you've got the dogs in the umbrella. You've got all these little frogs, all these little, the mice on the balloon. You're getting the sentiments. All of them works perfectly with the dies, and they also enable you to colour in as well. You're getting ribbons. Check out the pastel tones from this whole collection. Look at these dewdrops. These are absolutely luscious. These are just like raindrops that have been dried. Then you're getting your card blanks as always. You're getting 5x7, you're getting 6x6, and you're also getting A6s. Envelopes to coordinate. Then let's go straight into the pattern papers. You are getting all of these. And notice, as you will find with all of the subscription boxes, you're going to see that the colours all coordinate. So if I bring in those ribbons once again, you'll see how the colours just work perfectly together. You've got patterns, you've got dots, you've got fruits, you've got hearts, you've got polka dots, you've got stripes, you've even got the good morning sunshine. Then to work with that, you're getting the papers. So these are also 8x8, just like the pattern papers. Check out these colours as well. Full on bold colours. You're getting the greens, you're getting the lilacs, you're getting the deep pinks, you're getting the sky blues. Check out that light red as well as the bright yellows. All of them are coming within the box. So that is your 8x8 papers that you can see just there. Then you're also getting your 8x8 pattern papers that work perfectly together or on their own. Then you're getting the ribbon. So you're getting your 9 different reels of ribbon, 3 different sizes. You're getting all your card blanks. You're getting all the envelopes. You're getting the dewdrops as well. Self-adhesive, but you can colour them with your tri-blends or your classics, whatever you choose to colour in your images. Then, of course, you have got all these samples of stamps just here. Checking all these. Loads and loads of stamps on these 2 sheets. 1 cat, 1 dog theme. Then there is your die. So you're actually getting 2 sets because 1 is for the cats and 1 is for the dogs that you can see just there. So you can create an aperture if you want, or just an over the edge on its own. All of that comes included in the brand new subscription box, which comes to you from us at Crafter's Companion, that's all about the Over the Edge stamp and dies.